Thank you so much for continuing to stay home. This video is about my protein-packed pancakes. They were completely improvised and were a product of making a bean stew and not really knowing what to make with them. So it came from that video and from that recipe, and they're really delicious. So give them a try. I will have the recipe and ingredients as on the video as well. So here we go. These are the ingredients in my protein-packed gluten-free pancakes. Garbanzo or chickpea flour, quinoa flour, cassava flour, baking powder, and sea salt. This is the end product of my protein-packed pancakes. You can say that 3 times. And they're delicious. They are gluten-free, and you can make them either sweet or savory. So you can have them savory, like say with the bean stew that I made, or you can have them sweet with like regular pancakes with maple syrup and maybe some spiced apples. They are, and you can also add a little bit of vanilla to the mix, or almond flavoring, or cinnamon, whatever you prefer. But they're absolutely delicious, and they are very light in taste.